got those orange cat blues. Yeah, I'm sad. Hey, Nerk? It's Loki. Oh, I think you got scammed on your fish, 'cause it looks exactly like what we call a cat treat here. It's, it's like a dessert for if you're of the feline persuasion. Fishies. But if you want to come back and trade it for some spoiled milk, 'cause I have some, and I saw on a TV show once that some aliens get really wasted on spoiled milk, and I could get you gallons of it, like you would not believe, you know. So give me a call, or stop by. That's cool. Talk to you later. Bye.